Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zapier to automate document extraction with Amazon Textract step by step clearly. First, log in to your Zapier account. In the Zapier dashboard, click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. For the trigger app, search for and select Webhook. Choose Catch Hook as the trigger event. Click Continue to move to the next step. Zapier will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL as you'll need it for the integration. Next, open a new tab and log in to your Amazon Textract console. Under the Textract section, navigate to the Settings or Integration area. Find the option to configure notifications using webhooks. Paste the Zapier webhook URL you copied earlier into the designated field. This step ensures Textract will send data to Zapier when document extraction is complete. Return to your Zapier dashboard and click Test Trigger. Check the response to confirm that Zapier is receiving information from Textract. Once confirmed, click Continue. Next, for the Action app, search for and select Google Drive. Choose Upload File as the action event and click Continue. Connect your Google Drive account to Zapier if you haven't done so. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Google Drive. Now, set up the file upload by selecting the appropriate options. For the file field, map it to the output from the Textract webhook data. Fill in any other required fields, such as the folder location where you want to store the extracted documents. Click Continue after filling in the necessary information. Zapier will prompt you to test the action. Run the test to ensure everything is working correctly. Check your Google Drive to confirm that the file has been uploaded successfully. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap is now set to automatically extract documents using Amazon Textract and upload them to Google Drive. You have completed the setup for automating document extraction with Zapier and Amazon Textract. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.